If you're exercising regularly, but still feeling stiff, tired, or just generally unhealthy, this video is for you. The problem may not be your workouts. It may be how you fundamentally understand health. Most people assume if they check the box on their workout, they've checked the box on health. But it's not that simple. Many people think health is binary. You're either healthy or you're not. That is not how your body works. Your health doesn't exist as a simple yes or no state. Health exists on a spectrum. On one end is optimal function, and on the other is chronic disease. You don't suddenly become unhealthy overnight. You slowly move along this spectrum based on your daily habits, and exercise is only one of those habits. So why isn't exercise alone enough to keep you healthy? Here's a common scenario. Someone works out a few times a week, but spends most of the day sitting. Over time, the body adapts more to that inactivity than to short periods of exercise. This leads to deconditioning. You'll experience lower work capacity, reduced movement efficiency, and higher stress on your joints. Even though you exercise, your overall health can still decline. It's crucial to understand that exercise and physical activity are not the same thing. Exercise is planned and structured, like your gym time. Physical activity is all movement outside of your formal workouts, like walking, standing, or daily tasks. If your general physical activity stays low, exercise has a limited impact. Simply put, you can't out-exercise a largely inactive lifestyle. This problem gets worse over time, which is why many people feel less healthy despite doing the right things. Chronic issues develop slowly, not just from age, but from years of accumulated reduced movement. The body becomes less resilient, recovery takes longer, and eventually, even your planned workouts feel harder. In conclusion, exercise absolutely matters, and it's a critical component of health. But true health is shaped by everything you do daily, including those small movements throughout your day. If you want to stay on the healthier side of the spectrum, movement has to extend beyond just your workout session. Follow and subscribe for practical, science-based fitness education and tips to improve your movement all day long.